Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video we're going to be covering Randol BurgerShot script because I've had a few people that have wanted me to go over it, so we're going to go over it. So it's got the link to the MLO here, so obviously you go and download the MLO. Where's the download link? Alright, here we go. Download the MLO. Alright. Now the MLO is installed. Just going to open it up, click 5M, make sure it's like that. Open your server resources. I'll show you guys a little trick as well. If you put it inside standalone and you make a, not a shortcut, sorry. If you make a subfolder called scripts, you don't have to go through and ensure everything. So, and then we do one for maps as well. Make sure you have the open and close brackets. So we'll put the BurgerShot map in there. Alright, now that's done, we'll go ahead and look through the script. Alright, so dependencies is oxlib. Make sure you have it installed and insured properly. I've got mine insured at before QbCore, so if you guys want it to work properly, it's got to be before QbCore. So you go ensure oxlib, then ensure QbCore. Okay, so, and then obviously optional add-ons, these, I'll cover these in a different video. This is supported with ESX, QB and QBox. Right, so let's get into it. So we're going to go click on code, download zip. Alright, now it's done. We're going to open it up, remove the main from the end. And we're going to go in resources, our standalone folder that we made, scripts, and just drag it in there. Alright, next we're going to go to QbCore, shared, then items, and then we're going to grab the items for QbCore. If you're using Ox inventory, grab the ones from Ox inventory. Alright, then we're going to just paste these in here like that, then click save by clicking Ctrl S, or just file then save. Next we're going to add the jobs, so back in the shared folder, go into jobs, and we'll just put it underneath police, just like that. Alright, save that. Next we got to install the images, so if you want to go resources, QB inventory, HTML images. If you're using Ox inventory, then just do the same for Ox inventory. Right, drag the images in there, and then now we're going to have a look at some of the options in the config. Let's open the config. Right, so the cook duration is how long it will cook for. The blip coordinates is where the blip is, how much they fill your hunger, and how much different foods fill your thirst as well. The zones is basically the locations that are around which you can interact with using QBTarget or OxTarget. Everything in this option could be changed. The items for the shop, I'm going to look at a different way of handling this in this video as well. So this video might be a long, or I might do it in a different video so it's not too long. This is basically where you can buy all the shops from, and then the zones, and then obviously the emotes here as well. And yeah, so we're using QBTarget and QB inventory. Right, now that's installed, we're going to click restart, and then I will see you guys in the server. Right, so we are now in the server, and we are going to go over and teleport to BurgerShot. Right, we're going to go down, where is it? It's just over here. And then we're going to do t/set job, then my ID, which is 1, then BurgerShot, and then grade 3, which is the manager, I believe. No, yes it is. Let me just double check, just make sure. No, 4 is the manager, so set job 1, BurgerShot 4. Right, now let's check it again. Right, okay, right, let's get into it. So you get food trays. Well, they won't open because of this doesn't support the latest QB update, but this is something we're going to change. And you can come over here, make drinks. So we're going to spawn some of the items, and then I'm going to show you a different way to handle all of it. So we're going to get this. Give item 1. Just give himself 3 of them. We get some milkshake formula. Get 3 of them. Make drinks. Milkshake. Say making drinks. The time can be changed for all of this in the config, by the way. Alright. There we go, made the drinks. And then obviously they're all usable with custom props. Can be changed in the config also. Over here will be your store, but obviously, again, this won't open because of it doesn't support the latest QbCore, but I'm going to show you guys a little something on how to do it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys a little something on how you can make sure this issue doesn't occur when trying to get ingredients, because then it can be a bit annoying. So, if you go to QB and then go to, where is it? QB Shops, and then open the config. And then here, if you just copy the first line here, and then change this to BurgerShot, and then just copy all of the ingredients from here. So we're going to close that, and we're going to close that. Not going to need that. So if we just grab all the ingredients that are listed here, so like burger bun, we can change the price to 0. Burger raw. Let's actually just do this and make it a lot easier like this. So if we go like this and just add a few lines below, right like that, and then burger tomato, burger lettuce. Right, there's burger lettuce, and we got burger potato, which will obviously be the potatoes to make certain things, the milkshake formula, and the soda syrup. Right, and then remove these last 2 ones because we're not going to need them. Make sure you also have a comma near the end, and then also how to lock it to a job is I'm just going to grab this snippet here, and then I'm just going to go like this, and then do a comma like that, and then paste, and then change this over to BurgerShot. And then what I'm going to do from here is grab this, including the comma at the end, just paste it there, 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 and there. Right, now what is left is we've actually got to create the locations for the shop. So if we scroll down a little bit, we've got here. So we do this one here. So we change this to BurgerShot. Do lowercase BurgerShot label. We're gonna do the hide blip, show blip as false, so this isn't gonna matter. Chords, we're gonna get the type / vector 4. Get this here. Ped models can be changed if you go onto Google and type in 5M ped models. Go on the first link, and you can change all the ped models here. Scenario, you can type up scenarios as well. This is the radius for the interact distance. The target icon can be changed by going on Font Awesome icons. That can all be changed there. The label, the target label, is when you interact with it. The config.products is what we made up here, so we've got to change this to BurgerShot. And then delivery, just ignore that, use stock, and then everything like that. So now that's done, we're gonna type restart QB shops. Right, there's no ped model for some reason, but anyway, I don't know why it's using. I think I might have messed up somewhere, guys. Everybody makes mistakes. Let's just grab. Oh, I messed up big time. Yeah, my bad. Alright, let's change this to normal. Alright, there we go. Now restart QB shops. Alright, here we go. Now it's done, so we can open shop and we can get everything that we need. So we're gonna drop these on the floor. Everybody makes mistake, guys. That's one thing about coding that you'll know is you're gonna make a mistake at least once in your time, and it's not gonna really matter. So we'll just grab tomato, then we'll grab lettuce. We'll just grab one of each. Right, and then we can come up and the fry station here, make fries, requires 2 potatoes, so I didn't get 2, so I'm just gonna grab another one over here. There should be a ped model here, but I'm not quite sure why there's not. Might just be something to do with the QB update, or it's just an invalid ped model. It could be many things. Make fries, requires 2 potatoes. Making the potatoes obviously comes with animations that you can customize. The next step of obviously sorting out the interactable stashes here, there is a script called md stashes, and in here it can either be an object or a location. So obviously the objects are here. You need to get the model for it, and it supports QB target and QB inventory and aux target and inventory. But yeah, that's basically Randol BurgerShot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and in a few more videos in a couple of days I'm going to be covering the multi-job and the billing system as well, that's linked towards this job script, and that can be linked towards any job script for the billing. So I've been Exotic. I hope you guys enjoyed.